Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video will be a kitchen clean with me, so if you need some cleaning motivation for your kitchen, then definitely stay tuned and watch this video. If you do enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. I did change my posting schedule. For now, I am going to be posting one time a week on Saturdays. So now that this area over here by the stove is all cleaned off, I'm going to go ahead and wipe everything down with my Mrs. Meyer's spray. It is in lemon verbena. Now I am on to the other side of the kitchen, and over here is where we put everything right when we come in, so this area stays dirty all the time. So I'm just gathering up all of the Walmart sacks and gonna move a few things over, and then I'm gonna do a really quick clean out of my purse. Me and my husband Jonathan, we do go through a lot of cans and a lot of water bottles, so usually when we're done we'll stack them up over here by the sink, and then whenever I go to clean I will dump out any extra that's left in there, and then I rinse them out. I don't really know if it's necessary to rinse them out or not, but I put them all in a recycling bag, and it just makes me feel better knowing that they're rinsed out. So I'm going ahead and dumping any remaining soda out of these, and then I'm going to rinse them out with a little bit of water. We really do need to get better about doing this just as we get done with them, because then they wouldn't pile up and we wouldn't have so many over here in this area. Now that the counter is all cleared off, I'm going to go ahead and empty out the dishwasher and then load it back up with any dirty dishes. On this night, John wanted breakfast burritos, so I did go ahead and hand wash this pan because I didn't want to wait until the dishwasher got done. Well, he didn't want to wait, so I went ahead and hand washed this pan, and then I'm going to wipe out the sink. I really wish I would have done the wipe out of the sink last because I do use it again. I just wasn't thinking about it, and I just wanted to get it clean because we had spaghetti a couple of nights before this, and so it was just really in need of a good scrub down, so I went ahead and did this. I am going to go ahead and wipe down the coffee pot, clean out the inside of it, clean the pot, just clean everything. This thing gets so incredibly dirty. You can see on the lid right there the coffee. I was looking in there to see how dirty it actually was. That thing gets really dirty, and we used to have a black coffee pot before this one, and it just started tasting funny after a while. We had it for years. I don't drink a whole lot of coffee, but John does, and we had that one for several years and really didn't ever clean it. Just not something that you think of. So we got this white coffee pot just because I think that the white looks better. I like the white and bright, but we also like it because it does show how dirty it is, so we know more often when we need to clean it. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to clean all this and clean out the actual coffee pot, scrub that down, and get all of this nice and white again. So I am finishing up here in the kitchen just by vacuuming the floors in here. Getting this vacuum was one of the best things that I have ever done. I do not like sweeping, so I love this vacuum. But that is the end of the video, so if you did enjoy it, then please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you need more cleaning motivation, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post videos every single week on Saturdays. And if you need more cleaning motivation right now, then there will be a playlist of a quick speed cleaning videos and also another cleaning video of mine that's on the screen right now. So be sure to click on one of those for more cleaning motivation. Thanks again for watching.